Alright, candy catapult! It's October, time for some pumpkin chunkin'. We're gonna try a tennis ball first to make sure that this is working correctly. Into our trebuchet. Fire in the hole!
3, 2, 1, fire!
Okay, this time it's the real deal. 3, 2, 1. It went straight up and it spun around and spun around and spun around and it came back down. Exact same spot. Okay, this pumpkin's too heavy. We're gonna try a lighter one.
Teeny tiny.
Whoa! Okay, that one went a little bit too far. Okay, so one pumpkin was too small, so we got a couple pumpkins here.
Fire! Oh! He caught it! Yeah, I got it.
Did it hurt your hand?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. All right, this time we put it in the catapult, so we'll see what happens with our 3 pumpkins. Oh, that was terrible. Okay, I made some adaptations here. I got Mr. Farmer down there with battle bots. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ah, nothing! The sling is just complicated. It takes too long to set up and it's inconsistent. It took me a while to figure this out. We're gonna have candy in a bag anyway, so we're not interacting with people, and tie a little piece of string to it, and on the end of the string we have a loop. So originally I had the string really long, and that made for a low, fast shot, and that wasn't much fun. So all I did was shorten it. I made the knot a little closer, and here we go. So we can put a little spot where they stand and catch the candy. Woo! Fire in the hole. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful! Right at the end of the driveway. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, candy catapult. Candy catapult. Candy catapult. That is awesome.